Go underneath the 5 here and play the 3 in the other corner. Or he can do that.
It goes, but it's tight.
Does it go?
It does go.
Through the 6 and 8?
Through the 6-8, yep. It's tight.
Here I come. Swerte.
Good angle there. Oh, she missed the breakout.
I think maybe,
She has a little gap
you know,
there.
oh, there's a gap. Yeah, I was going to say, if they're froze, she possibly could make this 7 ball.
I wasn't opposed to just running straight into the 7.
And it's not just that you're hill and you know you got a duck, but you got a duck on arguably the greatest kicker we've ever seen.
You serious?
So no, get it.
No, the spin didn't stay on the ball like he thought it would. You know, hit the rail.
Kasalanan mo yan eh.
Hit it. It kind of see how it kind of died out. Like the English kind of let it. Kind of grabbed a little on him and slowed it down. It looked like. What's up, Matthew Austin out there on Facebook? Miss you around here, buddy. That's where I met Matthew. One of our sponsors of this event. Living out in Florida with his lovely wife and child.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Q-Craft Reaction and Commentary videos. For today's reaction video, another challenging match dito kay Efren Bata Reyes, no? Ito yung tinatawag nating head-to-head match at heel-to-heel match ni Efren Bata Reyes versus dito kay Kristina Tkach ng Russia. Si Kristina Tkach ay 26 years old lang, napakabata. At isa na siya sa pinakamagagaling na women's pool player. Lalo na nag-champion na siya sa World 10 Ball Championship. At dito makikita natin kalaban niya si Efren Reyes. Race to 9 ang laban nila at si Kristina Tkach ay nasa 8 points na. Isang rack na lang ang kinukuha dito ni Kristina, pero tingnan natin kung papaano ma-overtaken ni Efren Reyes itong napakahusay na Russian pool master. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Give y'all a little preview. This is Kristina Tkach versus Efren Reyes. Race to 9. Kristina is on the hill. We still have a lot of pool left today. The winner of this advances to 4th place. Loser will get 5th, 6th. This is the open side. Kristina's still in the winner side of the ladies event. Playing for the hot seat here in just a little while.
At dito nga mukhang sumablay na si Kristina, no, sa tira niya na yan at nagkaroon ng opening dito kay Efren Reyes. Mapapansin natin na sa rack number 15 na sila at ito nga back to table si Efren Reyes. Meron siyang 6 points, no, sa kanyang score at hinahabol niya nga itong si Kristina Tkach ng 2 points. Mapapansin natin dito mukhang haggard pa si Efren Reyes dahil kagagaling niya lang sa travel, no? At dito nga nasabak kaagad siya sa laban na ito. At mapapansin natin very calm pa rin si Efren Reyes sa kanyang mga positioning at cue ball control. Tingnan natin kung makaposisyon si Reyes ng mahusay dito at ma-run out niya itong rack number 15. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Espinosa, and that match will be coming up right after this.
Dito nga mapapansin din natin mukhang nangangawit yung balikat ni Efren Reyes dahil na nga din sa kanyang katandaan, no? At rheumatism sa kanyang right shoulder. At ganun pa man, makikita natin dito, precise pa rin yung tira ni Efren Reyes. Last 2 balls siya dito sa rack 15. At dito mukhang aabante ng 1 punto si Reyes para makahabol dito sa score ni Cristina Ticats na 8 points. No? Pasok yung 9, 7, 8 ang score natin dyan. Lamang pa rin ng 1 punto si Cristina. Pero si Efren Reyes ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 16. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
It's interesting to me that, I mean, you see how he's hitting those balls.
That's better. That's a lot better. That's going to give Efren the chance he needs to.
At dito nga, sa soft break ni Reyes na yan, may pumasok sa corner pocket, no, isang bola. May available shot siya dito sa 1 ball. Pero mukhang mahirap yung posisyon ng ball number 2 dahil mayroong nakadikit na 5. So tingnan natin kung makagawa siya ng paraan dyan at makakuha siya ng magandang posisyon para ma-run out niya itong rack number 16. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
What'd you say? I'm sorry.
I'm saying that, you know, he's in effect soft breaking, right?
Yeah. Why would he use?
Why would he use his break cue when obviously he knows better what his playing cue is going to do as far as spins, control, feel, you know.
Well, maybe it's just the hardness of the hit, the pop that he's looking for. I mean, I know he's not hitting it harder. But maybe he can, I don't know, hit it firmer, softer. You know.
Maybe.
Maganda pa rin yung pinakitang tira ni Reyes doon pero dumikit itong cue ball sa rail, no? Kaya medyo mahirap yung pagkuha ng position dyan dahil siguradong English lang ang pwedeng itira dito ni Reyes. Pero ganun pa man, nakuha niya pa rin ng magandang position, no? Itong kanyang object ball. Medyo may harang ng konti pero tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ito ni Reyes.
Oh, good shot. He banked that one in.
At doon nga makikita natin na palusot pa rin ni Reyes yung ball number 5 na yun doon sa pagitan ng 6 and 8, no? At ito nga aiming siya sa 6, pasok yung 6. Maganda ang position niya sa 7. Last 3 ball si Reyes dito sa rack 16. Mukhang tatabla si Reyes dito sa kanyang tira na ito, no? At magkakaroon tayo ng heel to heel match. At dito nga pinakita ni Reyes na talagang formidable pa rin na opponent si Reyes dito kahit alam natin napakahusay at napakagaling nitong Russian lady pool master na ito. At kahit world champion pa ito talagang hindi aatrasan ni Reyes. Pasok yung 9, all 8 ang score natin mga kabilyard. At dito nga sa rack number 17, heel to heel match na ito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, no? Last rack nila at dito nga si Cristina Ticats ang magbe-break. Tingnan natin kung merong maipasok sa Cristina dito sa last rack. At soft break pa rin, no? Ang ginawang tira dyan ni Cristina. May pumasok sa corner pocket. Alam naman nila dahil junior size itong table. Kaya madaling makapasok talaga ng bola. Pero tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Cristina itong rack number 17 para sa semifinal match. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Still in the finals of the ladies event. She'll be playing for the hot seat of that. I'm pretty sure right after she's done here. Not sure how they're going to work that out in all the brackets, but you guys want to go sweat the brackets, everything for the ladies event. There's 9-ball open. It's all at CompuSport.us. And if y'all would like to watch the remainder of the match out there on Facebook, you can get your pass at SullyVisionTV.com. We have a lot of pool left to be played today. All right.
Magandang pinapakitang cue ball control dito ni Christina at meron siyang chance na ma-run out niya ito. Pero tingnan natin itong tira niya dito sa 4. Medyo naka-perpendicular yung position ng cue ball. At dito nga sinipat ni Christina itong 4 at kailangan niyang mai-break itong 7 and 6 ball, no, para sa kanyang position. Hindi niya na-break yung 7 and 6 ball. Kaya mahirap si Christina ngayon sa kanyang preparation. Tingnan natin sa kanyang play safe kung anong gagawin dito ni Christina Tigats. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Corner.
Yeah, I think it's with the gap that helps her. I think she'll be able to push
To
the
duck
6 to the
now,
rail
yeah.
and freeze him on the 7. She's not happy with it.
No, not where you want to be, Hill.
Yeah. I wasn't opposed to just running straight into the 7.
And it's not just that you're Hill and you know you got to duck, but you got to duck on arguably the greatest kicker we've ever seen.
At dito nga mukhang nag-play safe itong si Christina pero na-open yung 6, no? Pwedeng ibang shot ito or pinahin ni Reyes. Tingnan natin kung anong diskarte dito ni Efren Bata Reyes. Medyo mahirap pa rin yan. Pero mukhang may planong mag-play safe pa rin si Reyes dito or mag-bank shot. Sinisilip niya yung mga possible shot. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
And yes, this event they do not have a soft break rule in effect. Ooh.
Well, they got the 4 balls to a rail.
At dito nga maganda yung pagkakapi na doon ni Efren Reyes pero unfortunately no, dumikit itong cue ball dito sa 7 ball sa kanyang object ball. Kaya mahihirapan siyang tumira dito at maipasok itong 7. Medyo malakas ang tira doon ni Reyes pero ganun pa man, tingnan natin kung papaano gawa ng paraan ni Reyes itong kanyang play safe. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
6-year-old eyes. I mean, he's practically touching that 7 ball. I think he's just going to go behind the 9, try to get her behind the 9 here.
Ito nga balak ipatago no ni Reyes itong cue ball sa likuran ng 9 pero mahina yung tira niya diyan at mukhang na-open itong 7 dito sa kay Christina, no. Medyo may chance na ngayon si Christina para maipasok niya itong 7 sa side pocket. Tingnan natin yung accuracy dito ni Christina Tigats at mukhang sinipat niya ng mabuti, no, para doon sa side pocket. At kung may pasok niya man ito, maganda na yung position niya doon sa 8. Kaya lang kailangan niyang patakbuhin itong cue ball at hindi niya kailangan puwersahin itong 7. Kaya subukan natin yung galing dito ni Christina sa ganitong mga klaseng tira. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Oh no.
At dito nga sumablay si Christina, no, medyo manipis ng konti yung tira niya na yon. Kaya sumablay siya at dito chance na ni Reyes na ma-steal niya itong match nila, no, dahil 3 bola na lang ito at heel to heel match sila. At dito nga walang pagkakaalinlangan, pinasok ni Reyes sa side pocket, no. Dito yung pinagkaiba ng world champion sa 10 ball at saka ng isang magician na talagang walang nervyos. At dito nga last 2 ball na lang si Reyes at dito pakita natin na talagang hindi pa rin magpapatalo si Efren Bata Reyes. Last ball siya dito sa 9 at mukhang mananalo si Efren Reyes dito sa semifinal at talagang napakahusay nitong si The Magician. At dito nga naipasok ni Reyes yung 9. Congratulations. See you guys on my next video.